Best expandable portable conveyors are the mobile solution for shipping and receiving departments looking to conveniently load, unload, and transport product across workspaces. These heavy-duty conveyors are available in sizes that expand up to 36 feet in length, with widths ranging from 18 to 30 inches to handle a variety of package sizes. They also easily compact for space-saving storage. Multiple units can be linked together to extend a line, and with 5-inch swivel casters, our portable conveyors roll easily into place and stay safely secured with lockable end casters. Once in position, conveyor height is easily adjusted to control incline pitch. They feature a self-tracking design that allows cartons to follow twists and turns of the conveyor path, allowing you to snake through workspaces and around corners. With a load capacity of 250 pounds per linear foot, heavy loads move freely over free-spinning steel skate wheels. All Best expandable portable conveyors include end stops that are easily set to prevent packages from sliding off the conveyor. With expandable portable conveyors, you get the benefits of permanent conveyors without sacrificing usable space when not in use or needing additional units for multiple locations. All of Best's expandable portable conveyors are made in the USA and arrive fully assembled and ready to use. Best expandable portable conveyors are in stock and ready for immediate shipment from any of our convenient locations in North America. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the answer.